So a main opinion about the statement or the statement in the newspaper is that he disagree with the statement that allowing student eating in class because he has three reasons that the student cannot be allowed for eating something in class, because when the student eating in class, so it can make hard for other student to concentrate on the lesson or the content of the lesson. And second one is that when they eat something in class, so it interrupt for other students to especially for preparing something for final exam. And the third one is related to the issue of if they are eating something in class, so it can interrupt for students to prepare some things unwell for the final exam. So because of three reasons above, that the man expressed his opinion to disagree the statement that allow students to eating something in class. Thank you.